Hey folks, this is a correction video to my Aldebaran video, a 21-year pattern for the 9th month. Anyway, if anybody's watched any of my videos for a long time, or even just a few videos, I've probably made a mistake, misspoke plenty of times. For instance, if I'm looking west, I might say east, and if I'm looking east, I might say west. So sometimes when I'm doing my videos, and I don't go back and edit my videos, you get me from exactly the way I am, and I don't want to be this professional grade looking video or anything like that. I'd rather just speak my mind and just leave it at that. But what I wanted to talk to you about, obviously in that video, and I haven't went back to check, and the person that corrected me hasn't given me the timestamp of the video where I said it. But if I said the light of the moon goes from left to right, then I misspoke. I just got dyslexic, I guess, in a way, with the light of the moon at that point in time. So this video, I just for those that don't really know how the light travels through the moon each and every month, I'm going to try to convey it here on this. So I went back to our beginning of our 10th month, which was the Pollux. If y'all go back and do look at Pollux, a 21-year pattern for the 10th month, you'll see that this was about the same image on that video. And then of course, look here, these stars, if you follow my pointer going down, these stars are circuiting the earth from our perspective. The stars do not go down. It's just our perspective looks like they're going down, just like the moon does. If you take a paper plate and write the number 6 on it and put it on the floor, and you just walk a circle around that plate, that 6 is going to turn into a 9 when you get on to the other side. So it's all perspective. Even our horizon is not a real horizon. It just looks like our horizon. Our Earth is so large and vast that you've got a lot of factors that play into your horizon and such as, hills and clouds and in fact, dust in the air, sprayed skies and such like that. So, but what I want to do here is just do a correction. If I misspeak in my videos, hey, highlight the time and comment in the section, and I'll make a correction. I have no problem correcting myself, and I know I've misspoke multiple times on the light going from right to left, and instead saying left to right on the moon. I know I've made that mistake before, so if I've led anybody astray, I apologize. And so this is going to be my correction video right here. So this is Stellarium app that I have loaded onto my phone. It's a free app for anybody that would like to put it on their own computer. I've got the moon here at my western horizon. You can see this month, if we go back a little bit, you can see the moon's more on the it's between the equator and the tropic of Cancer, which is further north to us. But for us, where we're located, we're at about the I think our coordinates is like 33 latitude and 94 longitude. But anyway, where we're located, we have to look south normally through the night to watch the lights go across the sky. If we look north, they'd be behind us moving. If we look south, they're moving from our left to the right. If we look north, they'll be moving from the right to the left. So anyway, again, it's just all perspective. So again, if I misspoke, this is going to kind of show you how the light travels. So again, we got a more northerly route of the moon. That's our Aldebaran. That's our 9th month witness when it's in the moon is with the star Aldebaran. That's your 9th month witness. And then of course Pollux is your 10th month witness based on the patterns. So here we go. Let's get this zoomed in here where you can see the light going across, and I'll keep the horizon. Now we'll put it right here. So I'm just going to go. This was our beginning of our 10th month moon here, and as it's traversing toward our 11th month, which is soon to occur, we'll just go through there and pay attention over here. See, it's already waning, saying the moon is waning, so it's already got some light darkness on this side here. As you can see on Stellarium, they do a pretty good job of showing there's light missing here, and over on these corners the light is full here. Okay. And you can, if you got a zoom in camera, sometimes you can pick that up. You can't pick up the exact instant that it happens, but you know, once you see the darkness on any part of on this side of the moon, on the right side, you're going to know that it's waning at that time, and that's what it says here. So we're going to go through this a day at a time. So here we go. So see how your darkness travels and your light goes from right to left. So there's our dark moon there, and now we're waxing toward the full moon. And there goes the light working from the right to the left. And that will be our, I believe that will be our 10th, I'm sorry, 11th month witness. And we'll scroll back here and show that the moon's basically at the same height at 8 o'clock in the morning. And you see it's past Pollux, and it's heading. Of course, Regulus travels further than the moon, so all these stars, the moon will travel through all the star patterns every month. It's just the stars are the fastest lights in the sky, and the sun is about 4 minutes per day behind the stars. So that's why you will even have the sun traverse through but it takes a full year for the sun to be circuited by the stars, and it only takes a month for the stars to circuit the moon. So anyway, so this will be we'll start our pattern here for the 11th month, and I'll try to show a 21-year pattern for that, Yahuwah willing. And we're going to see here that the Regulus is going to be a good witness here, and there might be another star or two that we might have to throw in there and show that pattern. But anyway, just wanted to do a correction video and convey. If I said the light travels from left to right, it's my bad, and I just misspoke during my videos. And again, I don't mind being wrong, and I don't mind being proven wrong, because I want to be right on what I say. So this will help me in my later videos to be more attentive to what I speak when I'm talking about the light on the moon. Now, one other thing we want to take a look at here. Let's see. Like I said in that paper plate, if you think of the moon in that same respect, the moon really doesn't spin. It circuits around the Earth, the topographical plane Earth, but it looks like it actually turns. So I'm going to show you here. If I take this 8 o'clock and I go backwards through the night, watch what happens through the night. And just pick you out a spot on here. You can pick out this spot or this spot, and just watch what happens as it goes backwards through the night. See the spots move? So there we go. That's so it's the moon doesn't really spin. It's from our perspective as it's circling around us. It was just think of it like a big paper plate with these markings on it on your ceiling, and if you walked around it, how those spots look to you would change. So it's not the moon is not spinning, it's just the perspective of it circling around us. So anyway, everybody have a great and blessed day, and as always, let's give praise to Yahuwah. Hallelujah indeed.